Once upon a time, in Benares, northern India, a just king named Brahmadatta ruled. One day, the king of Kosala attacked, killed King Brahmadatta, and took his queen as his own wife. The queen's young son managed to escape through the sewers. He went to the countryside, gathered a large army, and surrounded the city. He sent a message to the new king, who had killed his father and married his mother, demanding that he either surrender the kingdom or prepare for battle. The queen, who was kind and wanted to avoid violence, advised her son to avoid fighting. She suggested that he block all the city's entrances. Without food, water, or firewood, the people inside would eventually give up. The prince followed his mother's advice. His army surrounded the city for 7 days and nights. Eventually, the citizens, unable to endure the siege, captured the king, beheaded him, and gave his head to the prince. The prince then entered the city as its new king. The moral of the story is, wisdom and strategy can often achieve success more effectively than force and violence.